I am low-key kind of happy that I'm dealing with Combine right now, though. Probably. I don't know. I mean, that's definitely Combine radio. Combine radio! Tune in now! That doesn't open. I look like an idiot. Maybe it's dead Combine.
Okay, so right now, what it's like to live on Earth on a scale of 1 to 10. I'd say we're at a 2.
No?
Yep, could always get worse.
What would you rate it before the Combine showed up?
Oh, that's a toughie. I don't know. Good day? I'd say 6. Yeah, strong 6.
6? That's not great.
Well, that's life, Alex. You know, it's not always great.
Well, maybe we get the Combine off Earth and we could shoot for like an 8, you know?
Oh, an 8. Yeah, that really would be nice. Really nice.
What the fuck? I see the worm vial. Oh no, this is a new one. Hand. This is blue. So I think blue needs to go with other blue over there. Oh. Yeah? Wait, now what? Yeah, what not what? Go and click into that? Oh, something vibrated. Barnacle. Oh. Where do I put this? What the fuck? Am I supposed to go through all of them? Stop. I'm sorry. I don't... That's a red, which goes to this red. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is a yellow, which goes to this yellow. Alright, cool. Epic. Bro. Can I open these? That's cool. I like that. Nothing there. Okay, I guess this was all for worm. Which I'll probably need. Can I open these? Wait. I don't trust like that, so. Oh! There's a rune! What are they called again? Resin. Ah, fuck. Has anyone done any fan art of Alyx wearing the hard hat and the little gas mask? Because it's really fucking cute. Ooh! And I'm gonna be honest. Oh my god! Oh wait, I did it. Okay. I'm gonna be honest, I think her voice is starting to grow on me a bit. I'm starting to not mind it as much. Which is awesome. I don't want to see that. It really is fucked up. Alright. I have 2 bullets left. Where's my flashlight? I thought it's supposed to turn on automatically in the dark. This is dark. What the fuck? Where even am I? I don't know. Is my flashlight okay?
Oh. Holy. Yeesh.
No, that's mine! Stop! You foul beast! Where did he even go? Did he actually eat it? Bitch! Come on! Like, is my shot that fucking terrible? Mwah! We kissed like Spider-Man and Mary Jane. It was so romantic. Mwah! Do you have anything that I need? Nothing's flying out of him, so I think we're good. I noticed that the barnacles have a lot of ammo and shit. Oof! God damn it. Excuse me, coming through. This feels like enemy territory. Why isn't my flashlight on? Pow pow. Oh shit. Oh, okay, dramatic. What was that buzzing sound? What the fuck? It sounds like a fly. Oh god, I hate this shit, dude. Okay. This is here. This seems lighter than it did when I first got into this room, by the way. You! Enjoy. There you go. For you. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Oh.
Oh, maniac!
Fuck me. I feel like I'm not good at actually loading it. Oh my god, where's the healing? Can we stop with the intense music, please? Can we just not do that? I love how, like, this music came out, I mean, this game came out, like, recently, but the music is, like, stuck in, like, Half-Life 1 era. Games these days would be like, time to fucking put some like EDM music or some shit or fucking... I don't even know. Ah! Nope.
Attention, please. Access to this block is not permitted. Local security deployed and designated to prosecute.
I ain't trying to get it. Hey, come on. Really? How can you be gravity? There we go. Ta-da! What the fuck is that? There's like smoke over there. Oh my god. Oh shit! I didn't even realize I'm outside! What the fuck was that? Something hit me. Nothing in there. Hello? How do I go in here? Can I not? The game said no. Sorry. Mom said I can't come out and play. Can't do anything with that. Gimme. No! Boyfriend. You have nothing for me. You don't have anything at all. I have one shot left. My healing's okay. Can I put that away? Nope. There we go. I don't want to use it now, but I want it to be there in case I need it. Alright, we're going. We're going. You don't have anything. Oh my god, it feels so good to fucking see the outside. I spoke too soon. Oh no, it's a metal crab, dude. What the fuck? I'm actually gonna shit it and fart it. Yeah, same. It's sad. Did it die? Oh my god, it did actually die. That's hot. I'm turned on. Stop! Stop it! Wait, what's inside the trash? We're going dumpster diving. My flashlight, I don't know how to turn it on. I thought it turned on automatically, but it didn't, so. Fuck the flashlight. I'm kidding. Please don't. My health is okay. I don't I really wish I hope that I can like upgrade my shotgun to where I can actually like hold more ammo. Cause it's quite annoying that I can't. Do you have something for me? You don't. I'm gonna take this. Ah! Oh wait, I got hurt. That hurt me actually. Oh no. Ooh! Wait, no. Load? Shut the fuck up! I don't give a fuck. I'm Alyx, dude. I don't. You've already said it before. I didn't give a fuck the first time. I don't give a fuck the second, third, 45th time. I don't care. I'm doing what I gotta do. I gotta save my daddy. And I'm gonna save my daddy. Until Half-Life 2 Part 2. Because that's where they leave us. Spoiler alerts for anyone that hasn't seen that. Which you probably shouldn't be watching this. Because, spoiler alert, it tells you right at the beginning. Because Valve has no cool. Sorry. Sorry to tell ya. Daddy's dead. Yeah. Gimme! Gravity gun's kind of, or gravity glove, sorry, is kind of fun sometimes. When it actually works. Nothing. Okay. Uh-huh. Interesting. I'm gonna take this. Wait. There's nothing in there. And I can't. Wait, can I actually go up here? Oh, I can. Wait, no, I can't. No, I can't. Okay, so I need to go through that other door I saw. We're gonna take this with us. Because I like shooting it and fucking people up with it. Jesus Christ. Ugh. That didn't do anything to me but hurt them. I mean, hurt me. That didn't do anything to them but hurt me. Is what I meant to say. Can you fucking shut the fuck up? Shut up! Just shut the fuck up! Just shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up. That's all I gotta say. Just shut the fuck up. Fuck me. Alright, I need to heal this gun. Should I risk it? I don't want to heal right now in case there's like healing nearby that I'll be able to use. But at the same time, I don't want to die. This is kind of cool, actually, that they're making me do this. I don't really know where to put it, though. This? Oh, okay. Wait. How do I put you on? Okay. Oh no.
So, when we get the Combine off of Earth, what are you gonna do?
I'm going full production mode on the Russells, of course.
Oh, of course. You'll be sitting on a landmine.
Gold mine, yep. So here's the plan. Conservative estimate, I figure 1 year to get the world unconquered by the Combine, get them off the planet. So that's year 1. Then another year to mass produce the Russells. Although, just quietly, we will need to rebuild society first, you know, to get some basic infrastructure, jobs, money, that sort of thing. Otherwise people won't be able to buy them, you know. So, yeah, 3-year plan.
Oh my
Let's
God,
slot
we're going
the
back
infrastructure
down.
thing in for year 2.
Oh, yeah, definitely. You're gonna want to put that in year 2.
So, question. These are body bags. Are these Combine body bags? Because if they are, it's really weird to see that they might actually have a heart enough to, like, at least put their people in body bags. I don't know. It's really strange. Alright, let's go! Oh my god, I don't want to go back down here! Come on, I just left! It's the daylight. Now I'm going back to fucking crazy Vortigaunt world. Oh my god, what does it say? I can't read this language. Man is holy shit. I shouldn't have done that. I'm gonna fucking die. There's gas or oil on the ground. I probably hit it. I don't know. Never mind. This is G-Man. No, this is G-Man. Yo. I figured it out. I figured out the puzzle. Oh my god. Oh, I really wish I wasn't down here again. I don't like it. Ew, it's getting so dark. It's getting so fucking dark in here. All of the flammable canisters are fucking being submerged by these things. I can't even grab them. Can I? Ugh. Yeah, dude, I can't. Oh my god. What does this mean? I saw barnacles up here. What if I just shoot that? Will that help? Oh, is that gonna fucking blow up the entire place? Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Oh god. This seems like a bad fucking...
Oh boy. Getting dark again.
I'm gonna try and squeeze through. Okay, I did it. Can I squeeze through this, though? Okay, I did it. Oh my god, I can do this. Holy fucking shit. Alright, we're gonna use this one. What? Okay. I feel like that didn't really do much. Was that something on the ground? No. Okay. Wow. This whole fucking place is filled with flammable shit. I'm so scared of that. Okay, so I'm gonna need to get another wheel, it looks like. Somehow. This is bad.
Oh, careful, careful!
I know. Relax.
Alyx? Alyx!
I wasn't careful! I thought it was far enough that it wouldn't fuck me up. I'm gonna shit it invited.
Oh, careful!
What the fuck?
Alyx!
Alright. Oh my god. I did it last time and I don't remember how. Let's see.
Oh, careful, careful!
Okay. 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 I need to get there. I need that. That doesn't work. Great. Great!
So, this whole 3-year wrestle plan. You think you'd have a job for me?
Job? Alyx, you invented the Alyx. Of course you can have a job.
We could be partners.
Stop.
Oh, well, Well, there would be stock options. 5 to 10 year vesting period, obviously. Could be very lucrative for you, Alyx, in the long term.
I don't know what any of that meant, but sounds good, partner.
Yep, sounds good. Alyx?
This is really fucking intense. Can I make it over here without fucking getting eaten? Oh shit, there's a resin. What's up, buddy? How's it going? How are you doing? How are the children? Are they okay? Okay, so I need to make sure my shot is good with this. Oh my god, am I epic or what? Because I think I am. Cool. I want to grab that. Can you, like, come over here? I know you can do it. Hey! Cool. Oh. 100% should reload that. If I can fucking see. Okay. Let's go! Oh my god, it's so dark when the flashlight's not pointing. Are you gonna be a bitch? Are you gonna fucking wake up? Is this gonna be like some Last of Us shit? Fucking cordyceps? Okay, you, I think, need to get busy eating something. And it's not gonna be shit that's gonna blow us up. Alright, let's see. What can I give you? You know what? Can I carry him with both hands? Oh! Head crab! Yeah, let's give him a fucking head crab. Wait, I'm gonna put it in this hand. Because I need the flashlight. Yum! Delicioso. No! 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 Drop it! Drop it! Fuck! Stop! Oh my fucking god. I need this. Thanks. Nope. I hate you. Can I just throw it over? Please. Nope. I need to use that. I guess I'm okay, but I could be better. Where was it again? I think it was up there. I'm gonna put this here for now. Okay, there's nothing in here.
And then we're gonna go, and then we're gonna go in here, and then we're gonna put the little wormy guy in here, and then we're gonna put it down. I'm gonna put my hand, and I'm not gonna look. And then I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna get healed. Get healed, scrub.
Alright, let's do this. Ugh. Let's go up. Oh, shit. Wait. I'm actually put it on shotgun. The fact that my flashlight went off makes me feel like I might be on the right track. Okay. Oh, really? It looks like I may be coming out to daylight again. But I think there's some combines. Zombie moan. Oh my god. Nope, can't use that. Nothing in here. Oh, who's behind me? It sounded like something was fucking coming behind me. Made me uncomfy, especially since I was bent over. Alright. Anything in here? Okay, nothing in there. Alright, let's look down. Let's just have a little peek. shall we?
Combine. Russ, these guys have automatic weapons.
Oh, shit.
Dragon Commandos, of course they have automatic weapons. We'd have them too, but Combine weapons are gene-coded, so out of luck. Unless you find one that's unbonded, or you're open to some minor genetic modification.
I'm good, Russ. I'm just gonna roll with these genes that I've got.
I mean, I found a bunch of dead ones underneath. Would that help? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can I go up there? This looks like a lever I could pull. Yeah, I don't think I'm supposed to go up there. I don't know what, shotgun's not gonna help me in this moment. I know I'm wasting a lot of ammo. Please don't yell at me. I already know. Ugh. But I'm not quick enough when it comes to shit. Well, I'm not quick enough when it comes to the actual combat. You know? I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. Maybe I prefer dealing with the zombies. Oh my god. This always fucking happens. I get tired of the zombies and I'm like, I'd rather deal with the combine. And then I'm fucking dealing with the combine and I'm like, I'm gonna deal with the zombies. I am truly a dumbass. Alright, what's in here? Nothing worth my while. Let's go down again, daddy. Oh, okay. I keep forgetting this is for me. Contaminate is vulnerable, taking advantage? That's weird. Yay, hacking time! Oh my god, my favorite fucking part of the game! Let's break my brain again, shall we? I did it. I did it. Come on, guys. Give me some credit here. I'm fucking smart. I don't even understand the burst fire thing. Or the... No! Stop! I'm just looking. I'm window shopping. This is like when you accidentally hit buy now on Amazon. Bullet reservoir adds a reservoir that holds 10 additional bullets. Why can't I have that on the fucking shotgun? That's annoying. Alright, I don't need you. I'm gonna save my resin for now. Oh. Ah! Can I have your gun? Can I have your gun? I can't. That's annoying. Oh my god. This was a normal person. This was a normie. Oh no, it's John Foreman. I am so What the fuck? I'm okay. Okay. I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay. I hope that makes it into editing. Okay, so I don't even know, like, somehow my fucking shit got really fucked up, my VR headset, and I thought I was in the floor or something, and it really fucking scared me. Alright. Let's go.
We're here!
no. I don't even know what the fuck this means. I think he saw me. I think it's fucking over, dude. Oh, fuck. Oh, my fuck. Oh, my fuck. Spreading out. He's spreading it. Oh, God. Oh, my God. They know my name, too. That's so scary. Copy that. Hostile is unaware and ready for containment. Copy that. Echo 1 requesting location. Affirmative. Target is low value. Bitch, you don't fucking know my value. You don't know who I am, bitch. Yeah, Ricochet, you motherfucker. I'm gonna fuck you up. Wait, this is kind of fun. Hold on. Did I do it? Oh my god, I can't. There we go. Ah! Why does it feel like they're right there? Oh my god!
Alyx? Alyx, you still there?
I guess I could have gone down and healed, but it's okay. Did I kill them all? That doesn't seem right. Please stop the music now. If I kill them all, please stop the music. Wasn't there another one? I thought there were 3. Wait, how do I save again? Oh, this one. Just in case.
I think that's the last of them.
Good, because we don't have much time.
Same. I'm... Okay. Get up, Bev. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so music stops when they're actually gone. I felt like that wasn't always the case in the older one, in the other games. Nothing in there. Nothing back here. Okay, I've looted the place. Let's get the fuck out of here. My healing is okay, but I'm still gonna utilize this. Plus that. Yes, thank you. Give me. All right. I think I got everything. Yeah? What's that, though? That looks like hacking, but I'm not really sure.
There's a control station override nearby.
Okay, I think that's what I need to do. Okay. Yep. Alright, cool. Oh my god. Okay. Metpo. Hacking time, if I can get there. Yeah!
Get the override back online.
I did it.
Alright, I'll be able to stop the train right here.
You sure you can do that?
Absolutely. You just need to activate the terminal.
Nice.
Then you'll need to be ready for a fight. They're not going to give up your dad easily.
Great.
I'll be ready.
Great. So first of all,
Give me.
okay. What else is there over here? I might need some more loot, just in case.
Because apparently I'm gonna have to fight again.
Which sucks. Don't wanna do it. I think that's the thing I need to do. Yeah, I don't think there's anything over here. Okay. Let's go inside this room.
Right, that's the terminal there.
Alright.
I'm on it.
Maybe this
Do
is
hurry,
what I'm
though.
supposed to do. Can you chill the fuck out? Listen, you don't know what I've been through. You're like, you have it easy, dude. Can I break this? No. I don't think there's anything in there. Oh, but I do have a fucking resin. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Oh my god, I'm not looking forward to this at all. Where'd I put you in? Alright, I'm gonna put you down for now, because I don't think I use you yet. Wait, what's in here? Oh, great. More shit for me to fucking deal with. Stop. I knew it. It's okay. I knew you were there. I'm not scared. Why the fuck would I be scared? Loser? I really hate these. I actually really do hate them. You shut the fuck up, bitch. Come up here. Come up here. See what fucking happens. Nah, nothing, because I didn't load it. Stop. Stop it.
Ow!
You fuck. Die. I hate it here. I hate it here. Oh my god, I didn't even have a gun. Oh my god, Wait, it killed itself. Did you guys see that? What happened? Oh my god. Okay. There was a healing station and I'm gonna run to it real quick. I wish the flashlight would turn on. That'd be fucking awesome. Okay. I don't know what I just did, but I think I probably need to go fuck with the other thing first. Alright. Hacking tool. Here we go. Uh-huh. Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
I got the biggest brain in the fucking world.
Yep. Push button. I mean, it's activated. Oh my god. No more rats, dude! Don't fucking give me that shit, bro. Uh-oh. I'ma need something. What the fuck? Where was that? Did I miss it? I mean...
Bobby knows.
Ah. I gotta figure out. It's in one of these things. There we go. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Disgusting.
Okay, no worries.
Epic.
But the train is coming. Just get me in. It'll only take a second. You're doing great.
Yep, doing great. No worries. No worries. No worries. No worries. No worries.
Mood. Can I do something with this? Oh, I hate the wait. Like, am I supposed to do something? I don't know. Ugh. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, I need them to fucking... I need all the lasers to go through them. Is that what's happening? Where's the hole? Oh my god. It's this thing. Ah! Oh my god, I did it. Oh, that was so fucking annoying.
Okay, now just re-engage the system.
Is this supposed to come off?
It's the opposite of what it's supposed to do, Alyx.
What do I do now?
Well, don't panic. Well, stop panicking. It's
I'm
far.
not panicking.
Yes, but I am. We need to find another way to stop this train.
I know it! I know it! I know it! I know it! That thing! That thing! That
Might
thing!
be another way to stop this train.
I gotta go!
Well, start looking. We don't have much time.
I'm going! I'm going! I'm going! I'm going! I saw it before! I thought this was the thing that was
10
supposed to happen!
seconds, Alyx.
I'm doing it!
It won't stay.
Oh!
You've got to hold it down.
Holy! Holy fuck!
Well, that worked.
Yeah. Wow. You okay?
No.
I'm okay. Let's go find Dad.
Oh my god. There aren't any combines here, right?
Right. Look for the prisoner transport car. It should be towards the front of the train.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I know, I
I'll
saw
find
it.
a way
I
to
saw the thing.
wreckage.
Okay, I can't open it. I need to hack it. Awesome. Okay, stop. I need to get in there.
What the hell are those?
I don't know,
What?
but we need to find Dad.
That?
Yeah, no, I know. I've just never
That?
seen those before.
Oh! These are the fucking worm things! That's what it looks like. Oh no, that looks like sniper area.
That's your dad's prisoner pod.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Dad? Dad?
Oh my god.
Dad!
I'm over here, honey.
Oh! Ah!
I need help. Hurry.
Okay.
Okay.
Um,
I'm gonna reach out and pull you up. It's gonna be okay. You ready?
Yeah, I'm good.
Give me your hand.
give me! I can't! Come! Ah! No! Ah! Yeah, bring!
Alyx Vance, I have come to help, as I said I would.
Oh my god!
Thank you. Just stay there. I'm gonna figure out how to get over to you.
No! Alyx, listen. The thing Russell and I found is some sort of super weapon.
A super weapon?
It's something big. They got it here in the QZ in some kind of vault, but they're about to move it. Where, I don't know, but it's gonna be soon.
Then we gotta steal it before they do.
Yes! And look. I managed to pocket this Combine data pod. If I can decrypt it, we can figure out how to use their weapon against it.
So what's the plan?
You head to the vault. I'll take this thing back to Russell's and get to work.
Wait, where is the vault?
Dad, where's the vault?
Look to the northern star.
Yes. Look to the star. Got it. Dad?
It's right in the middle of the QZ, and it's big. Get above ground and see what you can find. I will accompany the Eli Vance and ensure his safety.
Wait,
Thank you.
is this the same Vortigaunt in
Dad,
Half-Life
I'm gonna
2?
go find this vault.
Go! Stay safe, baby. I love you.
I love you too.
I love you too.
Oh,
Thank
stop!
you.
Oh my god, my heart! I can't take it! No. Oop. Oh, cool. We did it. I love you.
Hey, Russ. Keep an eye out for Dad, okay?
I'll let you know if he gets here. When he gets here.
Okay. Too many times is probably gonna fucking go bad for me. Alright, cool. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see. Is there anything over here? Doesn't look like there's anything here. And looks like that's where I'm gonna stop.